All right, we're getting a better look at it. We're starting to feel the swell a little bit more. There's definitely a lot more swell than last time we were here, which was about a week ago. We call the marine weather forecast. There's a phone number. Maybe I'll try to link it in the description or whatever. It definitely said it was going to be a little bit on the swelly side. Probably won't be getting in tight to any big rocks or anything this trip. More than anything, I don't want to flip this thing over and lose all my fishing tackle. That'd be a heartbreak. I got a lot of it strapped in, but some of it's not. Somebody's crabbing out here in Sunset Bay. Interesting. Anyhow, got Brian coming behind me there in the old Santa Cruz. You guys are on the fence about getting a kayak? Go for it. I started out wanting a paddleboard, just a paddleboard so that I could kind of kick myself out here and do some spearfishing off of it. And from there I looked on Craigslist for like a used ocean kayak, the actual ocean kayak. Those Malibus or something like that, ocean kayak. And before it was all said and done, I ended up with a Hobie. And I like the fact that I don't have to paddle it. I get to just use the foot pedals. And when I did paddle it in the South Umpqua River for smallmouth bass, it rode like a dream. Not rode, it's not a drift boat. It paddled like a dream. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna quit yakking and get out there to where the fish are at. Check this out. Got some pelicans there this morning. Oh yeah, we got plenty of crab rope out here. I wonder if there's any crab in there. I guess hopefully they got some crab for dinner. All right, you guys. You see, we don't want to get too close to the edges of the rocks today. There's definitely some swell rolling in. Well, we're gonna call it a trip. We gotta paddle through a little narrow spot over there and then hop a sandbar and hopefully get out of here in one piece. Well, I'm pretty impressed with the stability of the Hobie kayak, but I still smart enough not to get over next to those rocks because every once in a while they get completely covered up with a swell. So, being a diver, I know that the rockfish kind of like around rocks and structure, and we've got a lot of sandy bottom. So we might float around out here for a little bit, and if things don't get any better, we're probably going to head for the bay and fish for perch or something. Anyhow, still nice to be out in the ocean. Fog's clearing off, but the waves aren't backing, the swell's not backing down. We haven't had a bite. We've been out. Oh, there's Brian. You're brave. You're brave. Oh yeah, this is the lingcod. Yeah, this is a good one. Holy smokes. Yeah, dude. Come here, baby. Yeah. Come to the papa! Woo! Yeah! Come here, yeah! Oh, he ain't that big, but he's legal. That's a good one. I think the bite is on, buddy.
Bite? What bite?
Take two. Okay, gonna wrap today up. Took a fairly sketchy day and made the most of it. Probably went the furthest we've gone so far in kayaks out in the ocean or down the coastline. Yeah, if anybody's on the fence about getting a kayak, I would highly recommend it. They're a lot of fun. So until the next time, give me a thumbs up on the like if you enjoy these videos.